How to connect Facebook Pixel to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way possible to do so. So to get started, obviously you will need to have your pixel ready to go. So you should actually go to business.facebook.com, and then from there you should be able to create a pixel. Now, assuming that you already did that step, we are just going to go ahead and go to our online store and go to apps, and we want to install a third-party application which is going to help us connect the Facebook pixel to our Shopify. So click on all recommended apps and then just click on Shopify App Store. So just go in and look up Parkour Facebook Pixel and Feed. It's going to be this one right here. So once you find it, just click on install. Click on install one more time. And then from here, you are just simply going to go to the left here and click on Facebook Pixel. You're going to go ahead and activate the app first by clicking on activate. It's going to take us to the theme editor, and we simply just want to enable the app right from here. Click on save from the top right corner and just go back to the previous page. Once we're back here, we simply just want to click on the app one more time and go back to this specific page, which is the Facebook Pixel one. And then we're just going to click on turn on. And now we're just going to click on add pixel from the top right. Go ahead and click on connect, and this is going to give you the prompt to connect your Facebook account to your Shopify. Go ahead and select the specific business that is, connected with the pixel that you want, and then just click on continue. Once it's connected, you simply just want to click on select business account and select the business one more time. And then from that business, you're going to be able to basically select the pixel that you have created from your business account. So go ahead and select the tracking on pages. You can make it all pages or selected pages if you want to, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then you can even turn on the conversion API, which is going to be highly recommended. If you want to do so, you would want to click on yes. Then from here, you simply just want to go to business.facebook.com. And then from here, you simply just want to go to the settings, go to data sources, datasets, and pixels, and you should be able to find your pixel from here. Now, you should obviously have fully set up your pixel. I have not. And once you actually do have a fully set up pixel, you're going to have a settings tab here. If you click on that, you are going to be able to generate a key. So just go and generate that key and just go back to Shopify. So once you have generated the key, you just basically paste it right in here, and you're pretty much good to go. And this is pretty much it. So this is how to connect your Facebook pixel to your Shopify store. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.